am requesting that you worship Lord Krishna, who is Abhayacharan. Abhayacharan means he is the fearless center. If we take center of Krishna, then we become free from all anxieties. Just like a helpless child, when he is taken care of by his parents, he becomes careless, carefree, not careless, carefree. Similarly, I am requesting, my dear mind, you do not drive in this way, dangerously. Please worship Lord Krishna, who is a fearless center.